can go give me a spoon.
Really? Welcome to our first mukbang. It's Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday, baby.
And today we have some fries with some soft tacos. What we have in tacos is two types of beans, some pinto beans, black beans. Then we have some shredded carrots with some shredded lettuce and shredded cheese, all vegan. Nothing else. So we finna dive in it. But first, we're gonna say our prayer. Let me introduce the family to y'all. Go ahead, babe.
Robby, water God.
I am Nicoya.
And this is Duce.
I am Jayden. And I'm Robby.
That's it. And of course, Chelsea right here. So we're gonna get with the prayer and then we're gonna start eating, okay guys? Come on guys, let's pray.
They're about to receive. Keep giving us our blessings, knowledge, and power. And every day be a great day. And you always think peace and love to the family.
Peace and love to the family.
Alright, so what we got here? Explain. Did you explain?
Yep, we already smoked. I got the tacos here for
Alright,
Taco
so I'm hungry.
Tuesdays.
I'm ready
So I know y'all ready to eat.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Can I dive in first?
Dive in and get your tacos.
How many tacos am I allowed to get right now? 2, 3.
You know you allowed to get. Here you go, Duce. Here you go. Yum, yum.
Break it up.
You got it, Corey? Hold on, that's 2. Here.
Alright, so y'all remember we gotta get a grade after this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get
Go
the first
ahead.
bite. The first bite grade.
Hold on, let me get 2. Go ahead, Koya.
Eat my fries first.
I want to taste the fries.
Mama,
Hmm?
my pepper covering the ketchup.
Oh no.
The fries
Move it out the way.
So how long have you been vegan?
From her.
Yeah, about 4 months.
About 4 months.
The fries is delicious.
Have y'all had any urges to eat anything to go back?
Well,
No.
No.
No?
not at all.
As long as I have my potatoes. You want some too?
Oh, pepper?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, grab it back. Put it in there.
So y'all remember our grading scale.
Mm-hmm.
Can y'all tell the
I
tell
made
everybody
this.
our grading scale, how we grade our food.
I made this, by the way.
Robby, you remember? Our grading scale is 1 through 5.
Oh. We grade 1 through 5. 5 is the best, and 1 is the least. Really, obviously. And I would give this.
Yeah, but you have to try the taco first,
I
right?
did.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Talk to me.
I didn't bite it.
Like
I
a
mean, all
5.
my fries already.
This is a 5?
Especially with the beans.
For 5 is like
5 star, baby.
astounding, Mike. It's
5 star.
one of the greatest you ever had.
I don't have a problem.
There's no problem.
He loves his mama cooking. What you saying?
I give this a 5 as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm finished and 400.
Mm. They know how to get to their mama. All you gotta do is say, her food is good. They already know. It's good, dude? All you eating is the taco.
What you give it?
1,000.
Mm.
1,005 though. It's good.
If you give it 1,000, you're basically giving it a 5.
If it was a crunchy taco, it'd be on point.
Hard.
But it's good.
You love crunchy things.
Mm-hmm. It's good, dude?
This is the best taco I ever tried.
What did you say, Jay?
Alright, so I'm gonna give it a 5 as well.
This is the best taco I ever tried.
It's
It
good.
had good flavor to it. Raise outside.
Yeah, it's raining.
We can't go nowhere.
The onions gave it a crunch.
Right?
Okay.
Real crunchy.
All done? That's all you gonna eat, dude?
The bread.
Hello.
Mama.
Yes. How is it, dude? Yeah, I know. How is it? Is it good? Whoa. Don't stuff your mouth, Duce.
Mango, give me a spoon.
Really? It's good, Duce?
I think I'll give me a spoon, okay?
Okay. Bring Duce one.
All of y'all want one?
Yeah.
I'm good. Bring Duce one. Mm.
You want one?
I'm full, y'all. No. There's hot sauce on it. It's hot. It's hot. Yep.
Taco Tuesday.
This is good.
This is very good.
This is good. I added that shredded carrot, gave it a crunch too.
Yeah, y'all need to try these
Spectacular.
techniques from home.
Yeah. The best tacos are the best. The
We're gonna be
you make
showing
at
y'all some veggie restaurants too around here that have the best veggie.
Yeah, we're gonna be trying them out. What? It got hot sauce on it. It's hot. Well, feed yourself now, sir.
It's good.
What you want? So y'all think I'm gonna get full?
Yeah.
Full?
No.
Yes.
No for you?
Yeah, I think we're gonna get full off this.
You full, babe?
Pretty good, yeah. So y'all let us know what kind of dishes y'all think y'all want to see us make.
And then we're gonna make them. Or some restaurant in the Florida area. So let us know. Comment down below.
In the comments.
Alright guys, make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe. Peace and love to the family.
Family.
Peace and love.
Peace and love, family.
Alright guys, we'll see y'all on the next episode.